Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the Case Southern Grind flipper knives available at KnifeCenter.com. Announced at Blade Show 2018, we have finally been able to get our hands on the CG01, Case's first collaboration with Grammy Award-winning artist Zach Brown's Georgia-based metal shop Southern Grind. The result of this American partnership is a beautiful set of modern flippers that are as elegant as they are well built. This new design is a departure from the traditional Case offerings, and this strategic partnership has allowed Case to jump into the 21st century with a product that, although different than their norm, still captures the class of their traditional knives. These knives themselves come in a combination of red or black aluminum handles and either a drop point or Tanto Style blade. The steel on the blades is stone-washed S35 VN, which offers excellent wear resistance and overall toughness, making them well suited for heavy-duty tasks. The flipper on the CG01 has a fair amount of jimping on it, making it easy for your finger to catch it, and the smooth action is also incredibly snappy. That effortless deployment and the FrameLock's secure lockup combine to make this an excellent EDC option if you favor a high-performance, American-made flipper. The anodized aluminum handles have a pleasing texture in the hand and include a lanyard hole as well as a compact pocket clip in the right side tip-up carry position, making it easy to get to the knife when you need it. The curved handle nestles very comfortably in the hand, and the jimping on the spine of the blade allows you to put a little more muscle into your cuts. Overall, Case and Southern Grind knocked it out of the park with their first collaboration on the CG01 knives and have produced a prime example of fine American craftsmanship with some modern flair thrown in for good measure. If you want to learn more about the Case Southern Grind flippers, check the link in the description below, and if you have any questions about these knives, please leave them in the comments. If you want to see more knife-related content, like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the original and largest online catalog of cutlery, KnifeCenter.com. Check back often for updates on any deals we might be running on the best knives and tools on the web.